Today we are going to use some simple settings and techniques in Canva to make a post about fall. This is going to take less than 2 minutes to do, and this type of post is one that I like to use on my different social media accounts to inspire and motivate others. Just a fun fall inspiring quote. So we're going to go ahead, and I would like to make it the size of the Instagram post. Instagram's recently changed the sizing of their posts. They no longer kind of prefer these square ones. It's more of a rectangle. So I'm going to type Instagram into Canva, and we can see the portrait one. That's what we want to use. So we're going to choose that. First of all, we are going to do the background, and I would like to use a fall inspired photo. So we come up to elements, and we're going to type in fall leaves because that is what I'm wanting. Now I want to look at the photos that they have, and I'm going to choose one that is going to cover most of the background and be nice and fall colored. So I'm thinking of choosing this one here. We just click on it and it inserts it into the document, into the design. Then we're going to right click on it and set that image as background, and it stretches it up and fits it into your design. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to have a nice fall inspired quote in here, and so this is my background / my border. So first of all, we are going to go and pop a white box in. So we need to go to the type white box into elements, go and find shapes, and you could choose a shape. I'm going to choose the rounded corner square, and then I'll resize it to what I want. We want the color of it, if you just click on this color up here in the toolbar, to be white, and I like the corners to be quite rounded. So I'm going to click on this little corner rounding and take it right up as far as it goes. Then I'm going to stretch my shape out till it is what I want. Well, let's just get rid of this color here. So I just want to stretch a little bit more. To align this to the page, you can either go up here to these little arrows and come down and find position. Click middle and center, if that's where you're wanting it, or you could also do the same thing by right clicking on it, choosing align to page, center and middle. Okay, now within this we are going to pop some text. So let's get rid of this one and choose text. We're going to add a text box, pop it up in here. And that's where we go ahead and write the quote that we're wanting. The fall leaves are a reminder that change is beautiful. And I'm going to put that in capitals. Okay, so obviously this is not the font that I'm going to be using, but we can resize it. I'm just heading up there and then choosing our font. The font I want to use is the Charming Mermaid one. You could go through and find a font that's suitable for you, but I am going to choose Charming Mermaid. And now I need to play around with how it's sitting on the page. Fall leaves. Let's have a look. We can make this a little. Okay, if I can change the size of my font. And I can play around with it a little bit, make sure it's what I want. Again, you want to just make sure your positioning is where you want it. I'm wanting it in the center middle, and I have created this beautiful post. I think I might change the color of my font as well. So to match it to your background, you're just going to pop up to this text color, and if you scroll down a little bit, it will show you the colors that are within the photo, so we can just have a look and see how these look. So that's beautiful and fall-like. You could choose something slightly darker. I think we'll go with that one. And then you're just going to go up and click share, download it, and you could download this as a JPEG or a PNG, whichever one you want. Both of them would work well for using on social media. Thank you for joining me today while I create this quick and easy fall post. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.